So let's get to that. How do we demonstrate this special quality of understanding that I'm calling empathic connection? Well, I've already mentioned the main component. It's presence. Just our being fully present to what's alive in the person in front of us. Now, empathy takes place in the now. So if the other person is telling me about some things that happened in their life, in the past, that has caused great pain in them, I put my focus on what is alive in them now when they're telling me this. If I get lost in the story of how this all began, I may intellectually understand what's going on in the person now, but I have found that that's far less powerful than if I connect with what is alive in the person now. So this presence in the now, as I have said in previous sessions, is on feelings and needs. That's the best way that I've learned to connect with what's alive in a person at a given moment. To connect with what they're feeling and needing at this moment. Now that's often quite a challenge to be able to hear, because many people are not talking about what they're feeling and needing at this moment. They think they'll get the empathy they need by telling the story, so they're using a lot of words that go into the past and tell the story, not realizing that that story takes people out of the present and often requires a lot of words that make it even harder to form empathic connection. So we don't focus on what happened in the past, but what's alive in the person now. As a result of what happened in the past, we may make reference to the past by saying something like, so when your father used to beat you, it was pretty scary, but now the focus goes into the present. And by hearing you express that you're still feeling rage at your father for doing that. So they may have felt scared in the past when the father did it, but at this moment, as they're recalling it, they may be feeling rage. So that's where the empathic connection comes in the present feeling, not what happened in the past.